In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar feature in Asana. Harnessing the power of the Asana calendar can make managing your projects more efficient and your workflow more visual. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head to the Asana website. It's always a good idea to start from the main page to ensure you're accessing your account securely. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Login option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have a Google account linked, you can make logging in a breeze. Simply choose Continue with Google and select the Google account you use with Asana. This saves you time and added security by not requiring you to remember another password. Once you've logged in, you should be looking at the main dashboard. To access your specific project, locate the left-hand panel. This section is your navigation hub. Click on the project you want to add a calendar view to. Every project in Asana can have multiple views, and the calendar view gives you a clear snapshot of your tasks by their due dates. It's an excellent way to visualize deadlines and plan your workload. After opening your project, turn your attention to the top of the interface. There's a plus icon situated there, which allows you to add different views to your project. Go ahead and click on this. This opens up a menu of viewing options. From this menu, you'll want to select Calendar. Clicking on the Calendar option will automatically format your project tasks into a calendar layout, organizing them in a timeline based on their due dates. If you're someone who thinks in dates and timelines, this view is particularly helpful. It gives you a clear picture of what's coming up and helps you manage your time by showing you which days are particularly busy. Remember, using the calendar view is an effective way to keep track of your project timelines and deadlines, allowing you to anticipate upcoming tasks and allocate your resources more efficiently. With everything in one place, your project management can become a lot more manageable and transparent. And there you have it. Using the calendar in Asana is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of this powerful tool to enhance your productivity and keep your team aligned. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.